day, my subscribers and friends and family. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be jerking chicken. Alright? I'm gonna put my rice and peas right here too. Right beside my chicken. Alright? It says jerk chicken and rice and peas. Okay? Alright. Maybe you see that? Few big of garlic and my peas. Up and running. Watch this now. Watch my grill. Heat up and everything. Ready for fall upon it. People, look for my chicken. Season from last night, so you know, say well marinated, you know. You know, so the season well soaking it, you know, right down to the bone, you know. I love do my thing like that, you know. Season up thing from overnight. So you look, people. Wow, blend season and everything. I go up on the grill and so I go and feed, you know. So we do it, man. Cover him, don't make him go and do him thing, you know. Me and the chicken go and get color, you know. We put my papaya tree in the backyard. Watch out. Beautiful, eh? See it? Nice and beautiful. Another small one too. Nice and beautiful. So them pretty? Wow, a lot is on the tree then. Yeah. You want to turn the paper. Wow. I'll put my glaze on it, you know? Some honey glaze. Another look fun, you know. Add like a beer to my sauce, you know. People, wow, looking nice, looking real nice. I glaze the top part already, and I give this side a glaze now. Wow. Wow. Sauce on the side there, you know? People, it's just a one-man pot, you know? It's not a lot, it's not a lot. Don't put my peas and go on it itself. So throw some water and sink it, you know? Sink the peas and people. Water in the pot to sink the peas. Yeah. people. I get my pot seasoned up now, my peeps. So some seasoning I have here. Scallion, pepper, thyme. Yeah. Going to get in my rice now, people. People, that's my people, that's how my rice look. Just need to steam out properly. Now one story. Get the peas mixed up with the rice. Good to go. Okay. Looking good, right? Now people gonna try and make some gravy. Eat with the rice, you know. I know the chicken, the jerk, you know, it dry, so get some gravy to eat with the rice, you know. And people, I get in a little jerk seasoning left. Another pot, yeah. Get some water in it and some ketchup. Some other seasoning inside right already, like powder season wise. So in it go. So when people, I get some ketchup in it, pot, yeah. Like the gravy, you know. This is my finishing touch, people. End of the video. This is how it look. Okay, so like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please leave a comment. Please thumbs up the video, okay? Thank you.